Oh no, what happened? Let me see. Am I streaming? Am I streaming? Okay. Okay. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Hey, what's going on? I'm gonna move this over here real quick. Let's see. We're gonna go. We're gonna be doing that website, but ultimately, I wanted to show you guys, this platform. It's a, this is Biztrac. It's an all-in-one platform for your business. So we'll get into demos, but I just really want to kind of hang out. I know everybody's losing their mind right now because TikTok's going away, right? And we're over here just chilling on Instagram, talking to myself. So it is what it is. But let me see if I can do this here. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Let's see if anybody pops in. But Michael, how we doing? So I'm going to start building the website. So if you guys need help building websites, let me know. All right, I build websites. I build back ends of businesses, and that's what this system is going to do, right? This system is designed to maybe I'll do that. We'll do this. I'm just gonna get set up here real quick. Uh-oh, might not be able to do this. We'll see. Let's see if we're able to do this. The baby's crying. But guys, so Biztrac, right? Biztrac is, it's revolutionizing, business operations as we speak, right? The things that we're implementing, the things that we're designing for Biztrac, it's going to empower businesses to simplify their operations, right? Biztrac is an all-in-one solution that's going to help streamline your business operations by automated processings, right? And enhancing collaboration and so much more. So the problems that we solve are really, ineffective or inefficient processes, right? A lot of times businesses are, doing things, the old school way, which some, it works just fine for them, right? But if you really want to, automate things such as, your invoicing or bookings, those types of things, like, that's where, it's going to really help, and then the lack of automations, right? Sending emails, you can have everything automated to where, you know, invoicing is being sent to customers and then they pay for it right then and there. Or, emails such as marketing emails are sent, directly, from a form, after they fill the form. I mean, there's so many different ways that you can automate these processes, right? And, the thing is a lot of people are using multiple tools, right? They're using multiple tools, which can get kind of confusing at times because you have all these different tools, all these different platforms that have to talk to each other. So this kind of helps, put everything under one roof so you don't have to worry about that. um Sorry. And then no team collaboration, right? You have a way that you can collaborate with your team, collaborate with business. You have the ability to put business or team members on your account so that way they can, get in there and utilize what it is that they need to utilize to get the job done. And our main target audience is going to be small to medium business owners, right? Maybe a salon or a barber or an auto shop. That's really what is going to be able to help. This platform is going to be able to help those platform or those businesses, with a lot of their operations, right? Project managers, entrepreneurs, consultants, coaches, retail, and then professional services. So all those different, target audiences are really what we're looking for to be able to help, streamline and automate their business with AI and automations as well. Why Biztrac, right? Why? Because it's an all-in-one platform. We literally have a CRM. We have AI and automations. We have sales and marketing. You've got SMS and email campaigns, right? You got calendars and bookings, invoicing and payments, websites and funnels, memberships and communities. So again, that's a big one right now is memberships and communities, team collaboration and finance tracking. The key features within Biztrac is going to be your CRM, right? It's going to be a way for you, client relation management, right? Be a way for you to organize your clients, keep track of them, communicate with them, right? And then the automations, which are going to help with, all kinds of different things. So many different ways you can automate certain things within your business. But for instance, if somebody books an appointment, right, it's going to automatically book the appointment for them. It's going to send them appointment reminders, and then ways to get into that appointment. That's just one example. Task management, analytics and reporting. You have the ability to look at analytics from whether it's people visiting your website, the sales, it just goes on. And you have the ability to create reporting of those analytics. So we're developing this tool right now. It's called Task Flow, right? It's kind of like a Cabana board or a Trello, right? Without all of the bells and whistles, but it's going to really help organize and prioritize your tasks seamlessly within your business, right? You're going to be able to create boards, flows, and tasks. You're going to be able to invite team members, and it's really just a drag and drop Cabana board, right? So it's going to be really beneficial for businesses. And you can save time by automating, repetitive tasks or processes, right? Automating client follow-ups, right? Booking appointments and sending reminders, project updates for clients. The list goes on, the different automations and workflows that you can create with this system. Analytics and reporting, you have opportunity status going to show you, the value of that status or the opportunity value, I should say. And you're going to help you really make data-driven decisions within your business to really help you figure out, what you need to be doing within your business, right? You got conversion rates, stage distribution, funnels, lead source. I mean, it's all there to help you. And if you have any questions, you can reach out to me through a DM, or you can go to biztrac.net and you can check out, what it is that we have and what we're doing. I should probably see if I can't even see if that's a bummer. I should look and see on I'm going to see if I show up on TikTok, because it shows that I'm on TikTok, but it doesn't show that I'm on TikTok, if you know what I mean. Yeah, see, it doesn't show me as being on TikTok. So anyway, we're going to get into building a website. We're gonna turn on some music though. That way you guys aren't so bored. Mm-hmm. Hey, what's up, Neil? How we doing? Listen to some dark cello, and then we'll get into doing this website some more. So this is my t-shirt brand, Messiah Crew. Mm-mm-mm. Just kind of checking it out, see what we got here. But this is what you're gonna be able to do with Biztrac, right? You're gonna be able to create stunning websites for yourself and your clients. Wow, it's really delayed. I'm watching the Instagram and it's just now starting to go through. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. And I love, you know, the instant access here. So in order for them to get instant access, it's gonna drop them down. Let me see. Let's see what this looks like. We got a little video there. So we should do this. Should do like a text shadow. Oh, we do have one. That way it kind of pops out a little bit. And this is going to be this right here. We should probably do background on blank. We're going to mess with this a little bit. Should underline these. Underline that. Underline that. Underline this. And we'll probably end up putting these in some type of maybe I could put this in an FAQ. So that way, let me see. I wonder if I could do that, or if I should. Do we want them rounded? Do we want them like that? Do we want them simple? The new year brings new health goals and wealth goals. Protecting your identity is an important step. Your info is in endless places that can expose you to identity. Don't want to show image. LifeLock monitors millions of data points per second. But we can do this. Our restoration specialists will fix it, guaranteed, or your money back. Resolve to make identity, health, and wealth part of your New Year's goals with LifeLock. Save up to 40% your first year. Visit lifelock.com/Spotify. Terms apply. Lean into the sounds you love. Take your playlists anywhere with offline downloads. Or play your song of the moment again and again with unlimited repeats. Get So maybe we'll do this. And then we'll just add them all on here. Yeah, I think we'll do that.
If you're a big fan of listening to true stories of people being absolutely insane and ridiculous, then you'll love Smosh Reads Reddit Stories on Spotify. We read tons of stories from different subreddits, all entailing people being absolutely crazy. And then we give our thoughts on it. Check it out, Smosh Reads Reddit Stories on Spotify.
So this is for my t-shirt branding course that I've been working on for quite a while, actually. Quite a while. But hey, it's all good, right? Rome wasn't built in a day, right? So, that's the thing, you got to give yourself some time and grace sometimes with certain things, and it'll get done eventually, right? I've got a lot of moving parts in my life going on. So we're going to do that. We're going to delete that. We're going to center this so that way it's in the center. The background is going to be transparent. So why is it still white? Right. And then we'll bring this font size up to, I don't know, like probably a 60. Well, that's not too bad. And then we'll add a picture here. And we'll kind of just do this, right? So, um, Vanessa, welcome. How we doing? So for this t-shirt course, I'll kind of show you a little bit, kind of how it's laid out for the website. But this is, the so when we go here. This is going to showcase kind of the website itself and then some top picks, right, for the t-shirts. And if they want, they can go into, the men's section and then they can go through and they can browse what they want, right? If they want this one, they can click that and then they can buy it now, right? Just go through the process. Um, so the t-shirt course is going to come through here, right? And if they want to purchase the t-shirt course, they can come here and fill out the application and they can go from there. But ultimately, this needs a little bit of work, right? These are a little too large, so we got to shrink them. But, it's going section by section, really, and that's one thing that I learned is what um, somebody's taught me, right? My business partner taught me because he's in website development and stuff like that for years. So he kind of taught me, you need to go section by section, designing each section as you go, right? But because before, this is like one of the first websites I built back in, I would say probably a good 10 months ago. So, yeah, it's just, give yourself some time, you can't, it takes time, learning these things and just putting stuff together, right? So, but that looks pretty good, right? From where we have it so far, right? They can do this. They can do this. They can do this. And I'll probably add some more information to this as time goes on. What is going on? Boom. So yeah, it's kind of where we're at. Boom, boom. I should probably get rid of that. Full border, no border. That way it stays. Um, he's asleep. But yeah. So let's see. We've got that. So ultimately, let me look at this again. So you're going to be able to put a video on there, right? You've got your headers. You got to get instant access. This is actually, I'll show you. If we reload it, boom. Jen, welcome. How we doing? Thank you for stopping by and checking it out. There we go. So that's what it's all about. I love building websites. It's fun. Kind of gives you some creativity, get the creative juices flowing. But it's just like this one too. Oop. So just like this one, right? I'm still working on this one too. I got to put my social medias in here, but ultimately, this is kind of my branded website. Passion into payments. Turn your passions into payments is what I say, right? Because I started this online venture a couple of years ago, and it's been a grind for sure. But hey, it's one of those things like you don't quit. You just keep pushing, keep going, and eventually, something's gonna come. But I'm kind of involved with a lot of different things. Um, I've got, I'm I'm an affiliate travel agent. Um, of course, Biztrac, which was my software company. Um, and then affiliate metals, right? So I got a lot of different things in the works, right? But I'm trying to focus on the software. That's really what I'm focused on is the software. Focus on one course until successful, right? Um, so that's exactly what I'm doing and trying to do, right? And trying to, win. I just want to win, and one thing that I keep telling myself is, I always want to like help people and fix things, right? Fix the world essentially, right? But I can't do those things if I'm broke, right? So I'm trying to figure out the best way, and the best way that I've found is something that I fell in love with, which is software, right? I fell in love with this platform and I just love it so much that I decided to, you know, come alongside my business partner and, become an owner in the business and start making stuff happen, and that's the thing, you got to make stuff happen. Nobody's going to do it for you. So you got to figure it out, right? You got to figure out what you enjoy and then figure out how to make it happen, really. But this is kind of where we're at, obviously. Look, I need to get rid of this. Probably move this a bit. Oh, let's see. But tell me where you guys are from. Tell me, what you guys are doing this Saturday. How's everybody doing? I know let's see, I'm on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, I'm on TikTok, and I believe I'm on YouTube, streaming all at the same time. So, tell me where you're from. Tell me what's up in your world.
But advertising on Spotify can help your business.
Okay.
Our easy-to-use ads manager lets you create new audio ads from scratch or repurpose existing video assets. We'll deliver your ad to an engaged audience that's ready to hear and see your message. It's that simple. Learn more at ads.spotify.com.
No, it's not what I want to do. Oh, yeah, I think I can take this chat. Oh, there we go. I guess I can do this. That way I can see what's going on in the TikTok world. But yeah, TikTok is they're supposed to be going black tonight, right? Supposedly. So we'll see what happens with that. But I mean, Instagram and Facebook are like an entirely new beast, right? TikTok is nice. It's a lot easier to gain momentum in TikTok. Just because there's so much more. There's so many more people that you can access all at once. Whereas Instagram, it's a little more difficult. I'm not sure exactly how the algorithm works, but it's just one of those things. So for this, we're going to do a white background. We're going to get rid of all this. Let's see. Is this a black background? Oh no, it's a gray. So we're going to do white. So we're just revamping this website is all we're doing, right? We're just revamping this website and we're going to. So if I want to create boxes, I really don't want to create boxes though. Honestly, I don't know if I even want these on here. But we can do this. Let's just see what it looks like. We'll do a box there. Or no, let's just do a box here. We'll do a box there. Full border. Full border. We'll do the same thing here. Full border. And then is what I'm going to do is, we'll just see what it looks like. So now I want to, let me see. I want to separate. Oops. I think it'll be this one. Right. I want to separate them. Oh. And I think it'll be this one. Oh, it'll be this one. So I want to make individual boxes for them, right? So we're just separating them. Oh. So I need to 40. All right, let's do this again. 40, 40. All right, so that way it's all even. 40, 40. And then that one's fine. We should probably. Okay. So now we need to put some type of We're going to put this on top. I'm not sure. There might be too many words for that little section. You know what I mean? So, what should I say here? Hmm. And we should do kind of a box shadow. That's what we should do. A box shadow. A box shadow. That way it looks like an actual box, you know. And you can do inside or outside. I usually do outside, but now it looks like there's a shadow right here. What's inside? So actually, we should just do this. We should get rid of this. Move this up. And then we can do... I don't know if I like this. Because we have to really... I think 250 would be fine. But yeah, I don't know if I like this. I just don't like this. We're going to get rid of that. We're going to get rid of that. We're just going to get rid of this. Okay, so purchase now. And then really I should do, let's see, advanced. Whoops. Headline. Wait, step 1. Personal info. Information. You don't need company.
Get ready. A new family-owned Verizon neighborhood store is now open in Florence. Your new neighborhood Verizon store is more than just a place to make connected. It's community-minded and family-owned, bringing you the best deals.
Order form.
You won't find anywhere else, like free phones, waived fees, and exclusive offers. Stop by your new neighborhood Verizon store today. Learn more at bmobile.com.
Okay, so let's just see what this looks like. Save. I know we kind of revamped it, so let's see. Let's see. Unlock your potential with Messiah Crew. Okay, boom. Okay. Now we got to do this one right here. This is the next one we're going to do. No, we need to do the colors. That's what we need to do. It's kind of a nice color, right? I kind of like that color. This. What am I doing? What color should that be? If you guys have any opinions on colors, let me know. Colors for me are pretty difficult. I'm really indecisive on colors, so I'm like, it's really difficult for me to figure out what colors I should have. You know what I mean? Purchase now. That's kind of cool. Yellow. Oh, yeah, we don't want that. Yeah, we want to get rid of the box. So now that needs to be whatever color's in the background. But we should change the color. Oh, yeah, see, just like this right here. We need to change that. And then we need to change the background to this. All right, there we go. Oh, we need to get rid of this. No border. There we go. So now that looks a little bit better. And we'll do text shadow. That way it kind of looks like it pops out a little bit. And same thing with this one. We'll do a text shadow. My computer's on fire. It feels like I need to get the fan rolling on it. All right, cool. So this is, oh, wait. I need to do color should be white. Okay. Oh, we don't want that. We don't want this box. But I don't like the font. Custom font. I wonder what we should do. Should we do? No, we need something a little bolder. No, I don't like that font. But anyway, that's kind of the idea, right? We've kind of got this. Let's save it. It's a work in progress, right? It's definitely a work in progress, but ultimately, you're going to be able to go to messiahcrew.com. You're going to be able to purchase t-shirts. You're going to be able to contact us. You're going to be able to check out our t-shirts. I've got so many t-shirts, because this is what I did when I first started, right? I started designing t-shirts. So I designed all these t-shirts. Um and I think I'm gonna start, doing it here and there some more because I enjoy it. I enjoy it. But the thing is you gotta have some time, right? But yeah, you can go to messiahcrew.com. You can check out the t-shirts there. Really I wanted to try to figure out how to create t-shirts that were more masculine, kind of like hardcore t-shirts, those types of things, like Covered by the Blood. That's a pretty sweet one, right? um, all kinds of different ways to be creative, I guess. And these are faith based, so it's kind of a mixture of my personality along with faith. So if you're into faith based T-shirts, here we go. If you want some pretty cool designs, let me know. I can help drum up some designs for you. But I've got so many designs that I haven't even put up yet, uh, and that's okay. But right now it's kind of non-existent as far as the T-shirts go because I haven't promoted it. I haven't done anything with it. But when I first did it, I did pretty decent. I mean, in my opinion, I thought I did pretty decent. Um, but it could have gotten probably a lot better if I would have kept at it. But I got into software and really just started to. Oh, should this is auto me. But yeah, you guys get the idea. But yeah, that's what Biztrac is, right? It's um, it's literally an ecosystem in a box for your business. So if you want to build websites, you want to build funnels, you want to build webinars, you have the ability to do so because you have everything at your fingertips, right? And that's the beautiful part about this, right? You've got the dashboard, you got conversations. That's where all the conversations are going to be with SMS and all of that jazz. So, but I think I'm going to get off here and go get some food. Hmm?